Hey there, American Airlines team. Today we are diving into the American Airlines login system, your password to the inner workings of one of the world's leading airlines. Whether you are a pilot, flight attendant, ground crew member, or any other role within the American Airlines family, this guide is for you. Let's kick things off. To access the American Airlines login portal, open your web browser and go to the American Airlines website. Once you have arrived at the home page, click on Login option to proceed. Now, once you have arrived at the login page, enter your American Airlines ID or password into the respective fields. Now, if you are logging in for the first time, you can click on the first time user option, or else if you need to reset your password, you can click on that option and recover your account. After entering your information, click on login option and you are in. Welcome to the American Airlines. Navigating to the American Airlines login system is that simple. So log in, stay informed, and let's continue to make every journey with American Airlines a success. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.